What can we make with an old frying pan and scraps of tiles after a bathroom renovation? We won't be using the handle, so it has to be removed. I just couldn't remove this last bit. Time to smash some tiles. I don't want the pieces to be too small or too large, so I kept hammering gently. Applying a generous amount of wood glue on each piece. Almost done. Use the smaller pieces for the rounded part of the pan. It's important to leave a little space between each tile. Vic arrived and he managed to remove the other part of the handle. That one. Adding water to outdoor grouting till I obtain a spreadable consistency. I started by using a palette knife to apply the grout, but I found it was too fiddly. So I went for the best tool ever, my hands, and I wore a glove to be able to spread it out well into the spaces. It's important to push it down in all the spaces and then remove the excess. I didn't wait for it to be fully dry before I got a wet sponge and cleaned up the excess grout on the tiles, because if you leave it too long, it will be very hard to remove the grout.
Wow! Interesting.
I had bought this like a plant stand from an antiques fair. It was only like €5. So I'm going to be using it in this project. So keep watching to see the final result. 2 pieces of thick rope and I stuck it around the border. I had this cute ceramic bird and I thought it would look really pretty stuck on the border, simply because I'll be using this as a bird bath. It can also be used for floating candles or pillar candles, or let me know in the comment section any other use that it can have. Hope you enjoyed today's video. See you next time.